In this segment, I'm going to give you some tricks that I like to use in creating a switchboard using the Switchboard Manager. I'm using the New Perspectives textbook for Access 2007. I'm on page 553 and I'm at the bottom of the page. If you've gotten this far, you have done some work in Switchboard Manager and may have realized that there's a lot of typing that goes into it, and a lot of whenever you type something, there's a possibility for making an error. So I'm going to show you a trick that I like to use. I can open my Switchboard Manager, and my Selena page is already set up, so I'll leave it alone. And I'm going to go into the Forms page, and I'm going to edit it. There's nothing on it right now, so I'm going to add some new items to this. So I'm going to click on New, and one of the first things I might want to do is create a way so that I can get from this switchboard back to the main switchboard. So I'm going to go to Switchboard. I'm going to select Selena, which is the main switchboard. I'm going to copy the command go to switchboard by selecting it and doing Control-C, and paste it into the text with a Control-V, and I'm going to simply edit it to go to main switchboard, and I'll say OK on this. The next one I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new one that will allow me to open a form in edit mode. So I'm going to choose Add Open Form in Edit Mode. Then I'm going to choose the form that I want to open. And in this case, I'm going to want to open Form Donor Donations. So there it is. The text is already selected, so I'm going to Control-C to copy it. I'm going to highlight the text. I'm going to Control-V to paste that. And I will simply edit it. By doing it in this method, I select the form first that I want to open, and then I copy and paste the text and then do a slight editing into the text portion. That way I don't say I'm going to open one form and then actually select a different one. I'll say OK on this one. I'm going to do one more. We'll do again a new, and I'm going to again go to Open Form in Edit Mode. I'm going to choose the form I want to open. This time it's donation info. I'll select it. Again, I'm going to Control-C to copy it, go into the text, select that, Control-V to paste it in, and then make some minor changes. Oops. So what I'm doing here is I'm saying what I want to do first, what I want to do it to, then I'm copying the text, pasting it, and editing it. So you always find that the form that you're opening is the form that you say you're going to open. Same would be with a report or a query or anything else. What you actually open is what you say you're going to open, and vice versa. Easy way to do it. I'll say OK on that. Now I want to go to main switchboard and I want to move it down, and that looks good, so I'm going to close it. And I'll close this, and I'm going to go out and take a look at my switchboard. And here we have forms, and there's my donor donations. I'll close that, and my donation info, and I'll close that. Looks like it works. Into this segment.